Welcome. In this video, I will show you whether the ACER Chromebook Spin 713 has a web camera. So the simple answer is yes, it does have a web camera. It supports streaming in Full HD and it's available using the system camera application. As you can see, it also has the green LED indicator which shows that the laptop's camera is switched on, and it has two integrated microphones on the sides. It supports scanning, it supports video recording, however it doesn't support face recognition. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.